Ever felt like you were missing out on a secret? Like everyone else knew a crucial piece of information and you were just left scratching your head? Well, today, we're diving into one of those little mysteries that pops up when you're navigating the world of finance for your kids, the elusive phone number for Acorns Early. You know, Acorns Early, the investment account designed to give your little ones a head start on their financial journey? It's a fantastic concept, right? Setting up a portfolio for your child's future, letting compound interest work its magic over decades. But then you hit a snag. Maybe you have a specific question, a unique situation, or you just prefer the good old-fashioned human touch of a phone call. And suddenly, finding that direct line feels like hunting for a needle in a digital haystack. You're not alone. I've been there. You scour the Acorns website, navigate through endless help articles, and sometimes you just want to talk to a real person. You want to hear a voice on the other end, someone who can give you a clear, concise answer. So, why is it that finding a phone number for direct support can sometimes feel like a digital treasure hunt? In today's world, we're so accustomed to instant online support, chatbots, and email communication. While these tools are incredibly efficient, they can sometimes leave us wanting more, especially when dealing with something as important as our children's financial future. Let's step back for a moment. Acorns, for those who might be new to it, is a platform designed to simplify investing. It's built on the concept of roundups, where your everyday purchases get rounded up to the nearest dollar, and that spare change is invested. Acorns Early extends this concept to custodial accounts, allowing you to invest for your children. Think of it, setting up an account for your newborn, throwing in a few dollars here and there, and watching it grow over the next 18 years. It's a powerful tool for building wealth, teaching financial literacy, and giving your kids a significant advantage when they step into adulthood. But, and this is a big but, what happens when you need to talk to someone about your Acorns Early account? What if you have questions about custodial accounts, tax implications, or transferring ownership? What if something goes wrong, and you need immediate assistance? That's where the phone number comes in. Or, rather, the search for it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Finding a direct phone number for Acorns Early can be a bit tricky. Acorns, like many modern fintech companies, leans heavily on its digital support channels. They prioritize in-app support, email, and their extensive help center. Why? Well, it's a matter of efficiency. Digital support allows them to handle a large volume of inquiries quickly and effectively. It reduces wait times, allows for detailed documentation, and often provides faster resolutions. But, and again, we come back to this, what about those times when you just need to talk to someone? Here's what I've found. The primary method of contact for Acorns support is through their in-app help center and their website. You can submit support tickets, chat with their virtual assistant, and access a wealth of information through their FAQs. However, and this is crucial, Acorns does offer phone support, though it's not always prominently displayed. The best way to access it is to navigate through their in-app or online help system. When you initiate a support request, you'll often find an option to request a callback or to speak with a representative. The key here is to be persistent. Don't give up after the first search. Dig a little deeper into their help menus. Look for options like contact support or request a callback. These are your gateways to speaking with a real person. And when you do get through, be prepared. Have your account information ready, along with a clear and concise explanation of your issue. This will help the support team resolve your query more efficiently. Let's break down the types of questions you might have that would warrant a phone call. Custodial account specifics. Understanding the legal and tax implications of custodial accounts can be complex. You might have questions about transferring ownership, setting up beneficiaries, or understanding the rules governing these accounts. Account issues. Sometimes, things go wrong. Transactions might not process correctly, you might encounter errors, or you might need to resolve a dispute. These situations often require direct communication with a support representative. Complex financial planning. If you're looking to integrate your Acorns Early account into a broader financial plan, you might need expert advice. A phone call allows for a more detailed conversation and personalized guidance. Security concerns. If you suspect fraudulent activity or have concerns about the security of your account, immediate phone support is crucial. Now, let's talk about the importance of patience. When you do get through to a representative, remember that they are there to help. Be polite, be clear, and be patient. They are working to resolve your issue as quickly and efficiently as possible. Remember, Acorns is a platform designed to empower you and your children financially. They want to help you succeed. And while their primary focus is on digital support, they do offer phone assistance when needed. So, to summarize, Acorns primarily utilizes in-app and online support. Phone support is available, but you may need to navigate through their help system to access it. Be persistent and patient when seeking phone support. Have your account information and a clear explanation of your issue ready. The world of finance can be complex, especially when it involves our children. Finding the right support is essential. And while the phone number for Acorns Early might require a little digging, it's there when you need it. Ultimately, the goal is to empower you to take control of your child's financial future. Acorns Early is a powerful tool, and knowing how to access their support resources is crucial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.